How to log in to Kayo Sport account. So if you want to log into Kayo Sport account, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having your internet connection, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Now on your browser, you need to go with search and search for Kayo Sports. After searching for Kayo Sports, you need to go with the first link, which is kayosports.com.au. Once you click on that, it will take you to the official website, which will take it to the sign in section. And once you're on your sign in page, you need to just simply enter your email address or your mobile number in order to log into your account. So enter your email address, go with continue. And if you have not created an account, then it will take you to sign up session. But if you already have an account, you can just simply go with login, enter your email address, and then go with continue. After that, enter your password and proceed with the following steps, and you will be signed into your account. That's it. That's how you can log into your Kayo Sports account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.